What is going on, guys? Kyle with Finance Bro here. Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all having an amazing day today. We're talking about Shiba Inu in today's video, guys. And before we do that, make sure you guys hit that like button and the subscribe button so you guys never miss a new video that we post every single day. Again, if you look at Shiba Inu, we're just down about 0.13% on the day today, guys. Not a lot of movement in really the up or down direction in any substantial way. And that's actually not really a bad thing, right? We like to see Shiba Inu move in this type of way because it means, one, that we're starting to consolidate. We're starting to kind of coagulate all of the price action within a specific area of the overall price range. If you look, guys, this is what we've been doing for the last week pretty much. This is the upper resistance, this is the lower support, and then of course this is the angle, or the channel rather, that we have been trading in for the last couple of weeks now, and that's actually a really good sign. One, it's a good sign that we could be preparing for further bullish momentum here as long as we continue this type of pattern. These consolidation patterns are famous for bringing us to new all-time highs and new breakouts like we have seen in the past. If you guys go back here, this was a consolidation pattern that lasted pretty much from the beginning of summer all the way till about, of course, October of last year, and that was when we reached those new all-time highs around the 8901 level. Now we have pulled back significantly since then, and now we're sitting around these levels and starting to consolidate here. Hopefully we can see a further breakout towards the upside sooner rather than later. I can't wait to see how that plays out. Really quick, guys, if you haven't already, I really want to recommend you pick up a free stock with the first link down in the description below with public.com. Guys, when you use our link and get signed up, you have the possibility and chance to earn a free stock that could be worth up to $300. If you look at that clip right here, guys, as you can see, I won a free stock that was over $300 worth of Amazon. We've had viewers watching our channel literally win the same exact stock for around $300 as well. Why not try your guys' hand and see if you guys can get that as well? Plus, you can be a part of an amazing brokerage app that we personally use. It's a social media app, so you guys can follow us on there. You can see our portfolio, what we're investing in, and everything in between. I think you guys will really enjoy being on the app. So get signed up if you haven't already, guys. I think you guys really enjoy it. Let's talk news though, guys. We have a lot of different pieces of news that I would like to discuss because, again, guys, Shiba Inu is never short on good news. So first things first, let's talk Foxbit. Foxbit seems to be the big exchange right now that is getting to list Shiba Inu. It actually trading just went live yesterday, and again, that didn't affect the price of Shiba Inu in any significant or substantial way. But what you have to think about in the case of Foxbit is that this is an exchange basically that long term, at least from a long term perspective, this is a good thing. I've always talked about that. No matter how big the exchange is, whether it's small, whether it's geographic or globally known, whatever it might be, again, it's important because what it does is it gives access to new users, new potential holders. The more Shiba Inu can be bought on different platforms, the more likely we are to see, of course, further price moves because, again, the more buyers there are, the more bullish the price action tends to be. That's just kind of the way that it goes, guys. So again, this Foxbit listing, even though some of you may have never heard of it, some of you might not even use that platform, again, there's still probably 930,000 people who use that exchange that are likely going to use that. Now, the other thing that this talks about is SpaceX is testing a Dogecoin payment option. Now you might be thinking this has nothing to do with Shiba Inu. Who cares, right? Why do I actually care about this? And you, in my opinion, really should, because what Dogecoin does that I think is so significant about it, and why I still do read news about it and care about it, is because Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are linked. They're linked in such a significant way that basically allows them to kind of have very similar, if not almost like identical, price movements, right? When we see Dogecoin have some type of good piece of news, especially with Elon Musk, we tend to see Shiba Inu do the same. I mean, if you look, guys, this last rally that we had to previous all-time highs was all caused because of, one, consolidation, right? The markets were doing very well at the time, but two, Elon Musk tweeted a picture of his dog, of his Shiba Inu puppy named Floki. He tweeted that picture, and you know what ran the most in that short amount of period of time? It wasn't Dogecoin. Okay, it was not Dogecoin, it was Shiba Inu coin. We did over 500%. I believe it was 500%. Correct me if I'm wrong. In literally just a matter of a couple of days and weeks. And again, people still, of course, wanted more. They complained about it. But again, Elon Musk is a essential part of this. So SpaceX testing Dogecoin as a payment option could be pretty big here, guys. Could be pretty big because if good things happen to Dogecoin, we do tend to see good things happen to Shiba Inu Coin. So keep an eye on that. I hope that does actually work out for Dogecoin, even though I've talked bad about Dogecoin in the past. I know, but again, I think there could be some substantial upside benefits there if Dogecoin gets accepted as payment as far as SpaceX is concerned. This is an interesting one. One of the users on Twitter is calling for a Hanes clothing collaboration, of course, with Shiba Inu. Now, again, as cool as this would be, unfortunately, guys, I just do not know if this is something that's absolutely possible. Now, what we do know, however, is that Shiba Inu is doing some type of clothing collaboration coming soon. And again, it seems that they might be oh my god, that is so loud. They might be hinting at some type of Forever 21 partnership. As you can see from this video, again, the whole kind of tagline here being forever and ever. The video itself, of course, is about 21 seconds long, and of course it says forever and ever, which of course Forever 21. Maybe this is some type of partnership. Again, it's kind of too early to be seen. If it is a Forever 21 partnership, I really do think that Shiba Inu has a lot to gain from that actually being the case. And again, a lot of users are speculating the same thing. They think that, of course, this is a Forever 21 sponsorship, and that, of course, maybe this will be coming sooner rather than later. I'm very excited to see how this overall plays out and what we can expect from them as well in that area. Have the Ethereum whales started to abandon Shiba Inu? Let's read a little bit more about this and see if that's the case. Okay. Along with likes of Polygon, Matic, and Chainlink, Ethereum Rich List has been pretty fond of Shiba Inu. We know this, right? If you look at whale stats, guys, Shiba Inu has been killing it as far as the overall holding in these whales portfolios, right? Shiba Inu is one of the most traded, most bought tokens as far as these big Ethereum whales go, and just in general, people really like the token, okay? Just in general, people are buying this token up in absolute droves. Now, what you have to keep in mind, though, is that even though, you know, these whales are constantly buying, there can be some whales that are moving their position around, right? At one time, guys, look, Shib was 23% of these top 1,000 Ethereum whales overall holdings. And then if you look, FTX token and it kind of go back and forth. And the reason for that, guys, is that the whales are not always static exactly with their funds. Sometimes they're moving it to stable coins, sometimes they're moving it to other types of tokens. Again, it goes back and forth. So keep that in mind, guys. You know, whales are still very much a big fan of Shiba Inu, but if you ever see all of a sudden if Shiba Inu is not their, you know, number 1% holding in their portfolio, don't panic, okay? Do not panic. This is kind of a clickbait article and it talks a little bit about that. But again, these whales are not necessarily selling their Shiba Inu. They're just switching, you know, funds around and moving it to stable coins, maybe in times where the markets are going to kind of turn red, but they always tend to go back into Shiba Inu either way. So keep that in mind, guys. Keep that on close watch. I want to recommend you guys join our private Discord if you haven't already, guys. Use that second link down in the description below. Some of the benefits you guys get include one-on-one interactions on the Discord with us and the Patreon. You get our daily crypto alerts, which are our buy alerts, includes first look at new cryptos that we are looking into, also includes crypto market strategies and updates, and of course articles and information that we come across that you guys might find useful. Remember to hit that up, hit the first link down in the description below if you guys want a free stock as well. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.